Sequoia forests, located in California, are home to giant sequoia and redwood trees. The height of these trees can reach up to 150 meters, about the height of a 38-story building. Their diameter can be as wide as 11 meters, and the weight, approximately 2,500 tons. These trees are some of the oldest living beings on Earth. Some are over 3,000 years old. They play a crucial role in producing oxygen and absorbing carbon dioxide, making them essential for the planet's ecosystem. The wildlife here is also diverse, with blackbirds, gray foxes, red-tailed hawks, squirrels, forest mice, and deer all calling this place home. One of the most famous trees here is called General Sherman. It's the largest single-stem tree in the world, standing 84 meters tall, weighing 1,225,000 kilograms, and is about 2,100 years old. Another iconic tree is the Sentinel, which stands 78 meters tall and is the 13th largest tree in the world. You can see how these trees compare in size to a human. Watch as I walk alongside one of these fallen giants. Just look at how enormous it is. Imagine the sound that echoed through the forest the night this tree fell. If you ever visit California, I highly recommend coming here. Plan to spend a full day exploring. The best nearby city to stay in is Visalia, and I've included more details in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Sequoia forests.